Hi, how are you? It's Jeremy Ashburn with Push Leads, and I help businesses get more leads without struggle or frustration. And in this little video, I'm just showing you a site that we finished designing a couple months ago. This company is Adroit Property Solutions, and they're based out of near Orlando, Florida. These guys do home renovation, kitchen, bathroom renovation, as well as cabinets. And we launched this site with the video at the top because wanted to really show the quality of work we can do here. It's all about expertly crafted kitchen and bathroom remodels. You can view the gallery here and you can see the kind of work they do. And they provided a ton of photography that we used throughout the site. And if you know anything about web design, it's really all about showing the work as well as in a way that that looks visually pleasing. So a lot of times people are going into an actual gallery. So if you go here under our work, Addison, and this shows a video walkthrough. So if you do have a local renovation company, I highly recommend having video walkthroughs. Pay the $200 to $500 a month, or $200 to $500 to get this done. Really makes a huge difference. And of course, you can obviously click here and then see a photo gallery of their completed work as well. And so this is super popular on the site. Obviously, we've got testimonials on the site, and there's another video walkthrough here. And we have their team, the blog, and then just a photo gallery of all the work done. You can also go into services and look at like kitchen remodels. And I really enjoy showing the final work with this in this top header image. Looks really beautiful here. And then you can scroll down and see the work and just a summary, a snapshot of all different kinds of projects they've done. Really makes a difference. And then of course under the about page, we can see meet the team. We can see examples of the work. We can see kind of their major services here. And then of course the gallery itself is just the same gallery on the homepage with some additional things like showing the showroom and showing sort of more projects. So if you have a local home renovation business and you don't have a website that looks like this, I would really recommend reaching out to your web designer and have them add some personalized photography, or maybe have them do web design, or reach out to us. We can do web design. These guys are paying us for web design, SEO, Google ads, and social media. And we're doing all of that for really under $2K a month. Really great value there for what they're getting. And so reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. I'm Jeremy Ashburn with Push Leads. I help businesses get more leads without struggle or frustration.